Sabog na ba buhok mo parang akin? Stay tuned for this video kasi gugupitan ako ng nanay ko. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jacob. I'm an online coach and I usually teach diet, nutrition tips, and workout tips. But this time, hindi ako magtuturo nun. We're just gonna go for a haircut. So I'm gonna show you guys yung haircut ko. Gupit lang ng nanay ko, so talagang trial to. But I'm gonna explain to you guys kung paano yung haircut na gagawin ko. So guys, ganito usually yung haircut ko. May fade siya. Yung style niya is medyo may low fade siya dito, around the back of the head to the side. Pero hindi natin gagawin yan kasi medyo mahirap yata yun. Hindi ko sure kung kaya ng gamit namin and things like that. We're just gonna try to trim this part off. Tapos itong bangs napakahaba, di ba? Ang gulo, ang messy pati yung patilya. Let's see what we can do with that. Without further ado, papakita ko sa inyo yung isang ikot yung buhok ko ngayon. So guys, it's really messy and medyo mainit na siya. And it's not, ideal. Kasi mainit dito sa Philippines. I've tried to grow my hair before and medyo hindi siya bagay sa akin. So, we're gonna get it trimmed. Let's see how it goes. So guys, you actually need some tools para magupitan ka, di ba? So, nag-invest ako. I got this sa Lazada. Shaver. Tawag doon, yung yung ginagawa ng mga barbero. The battery siya, pwede mo rin siya saksak. So, iba-ibang levels siya. Meron siyang 6mm, tapos yung 3mm, ito 9mm. So, depende yan sa gamit mo kung gaano kanipis yung gusto mong ma-shave off. Other than that, bumili rin ako, bago lang to. Talagang scissors na pang gupit, no? Focus. Ayan. Lalo na to, napaka-important nito kasi thinning scissors to. So, important ang thinning scissors kasi I wanna keep some of the length, no? Pero ninipisan lang kasi ang kapal, ang init, hassle. Okay? So, with that being said, yun yung gamit ko. Let's call my mom for the haircut. Let's go! Tinali ko muna yung hair para makita niya yung divided part, no? Ito yung guideline ng nanay ko kung saan niya siya shave dito sa side na to, all the way up to here. So, ayan. Hi, Ma! Nahiya. Ready? Set. Ate, pwede kang umikot-ikot.
Mama!
Set. Go.
Yes, yan.
Marker mo ma yung yung bukol ko. Okay. I remember the feeling eh. You can add more pressure, man. Kasi yung niya.
Para pantay siya ang upo.
Kasi 'di ba may measurement siya? Kailangan nakasagad talaga for you to maximize the measurement. Hindi ko nakikita.
Isipin mo na lang, Jacob will get many views because of this.
Doktor po nanay ko, hindi po barbero.
Yan! Hindi ka nakakabas.
Sige. Matapos sa base mo, gagamitin yung thinning. Goodbye, hair. Goodbye, handsome face. Ang totoong pogi kahit anong gupit.
Huwag mo patawanin kung mga dalawang baby.
So ayan guys, that's the haircut. Okay naman siya. I'm pretty satisfied. Kahit quarantine cut, wala namang talagang barbero sa amin. Wala namang marunong gumupit, no? Pero nagka-problem lang, I guess, sa likod. Hindi siya pumantay, oh. Pero I guess it's fine. It's gonna grow back kasi mabilis tumubo yung hair ko. Marami pang pwedeng gawin dito in the future pag humaba. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you how I style my hair. And I'm gonna show you the finished product. Let's go! Since maiksi na siya, no? Konti lang. Rub it against my palms. Kailangan super spread. Dapat walang clumps dun sa hands kasi nagbe-build up yun eh. So, let's get it. And yun, just spread it around. Kailangan equal parts lahat. Meron. And guys, I just style it one side. Kita nyo naman yung hiwa. Yeah. And here we go. I think it looks decent. I think it looks clean. Let me know what you guys think. Medyo pinafade ko pa siya sa mom ko. Hindi na namin nakuha yung video. The other battery died. So ayan o. Tingnan nyo. Medyo nag-fade yung likod. Medyo ano lang. Sumobra ng konti. Pero, you know, you don't expect a lot sa quarantine cut. Lalo na yung ditong parts. Kasi wala kaming blade eh. And yun yung mga magagaling yung mga barbers. Ayun, I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And so sa akin, if magpapa-quarantine cut ka, have someone do it. Mahirap yung sariling cut. Tapos, if you're particular with hair, if you're very particular with hair, I suggest mag-barber na lang kayo. But you guys stay safe kasi syempre, marami pang tumataas yung coronavirus cases. So, yun lang guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like, comment, say something nice, and subscribe. See you in the next video.